Hi, I'm Sue Burt, and I have the honor of sharing with you the Burt process story. My father started the company in 1970. His values became the company's values. They shaped the culture and success of Burt process from the very beginning. It's these same three core values that we live and work by today. They are people, quality of life, and stability. Our story begins in 1963. My father, Bill Burt, takes a job at Eastern Industries here in Hamden, Connecticut. My father worked as an inside sales engineer for 6 years. There were 8 well-respected co-workers from Eastern who would later join my father's company, forming the foundation for Burt Process. Now let's fast forward to 1969. My father and mother, Lillian Burt, are given the opportunity to start an industrial pipe valve and fitting distributorship. They rented a small warehouse in Northrop, Connecticut, and hired their first employee to take care of purchasing, inventory, and shipping. My mother took on all the accounting responsibilities as my father set out on the road with plastic pipes strapped to the roof of his wood-paneled station wagon. He was off to find his first customers. My father always put people first. His employees, his customers, and his supplier partners. As a result, he gained the respect and trust of those he worked with. His distribution business quickly grew. In 1970, Bill Schwamfelder, a friend from Eastern Industries, partnered with my father to bring manufactured system capabilities to Burt Process. They expanded to larger facilities, first in Derby and then in Orange, Connecticut, to manufacture fiberglass and steel tanks. In the early 80s, Burt Process began engineering and fabricating custom plastic tanks and plating lines. By adding to their distribution products and manufacturing capabilities, the two Bills created an extremely stable business model that has thrived ever since. Through years of growth, my father and his partner never lost sight of what was most important to them. They continued to care deeply for the people who worked for Burt Process and the families they supported. They wanted to provide for them the best quality of life possible. The next generation joined Burt Process during the 1980s, when environmental laws required manufacturers to install industrial pretreatment systems. We expanded our engineering capabilities and began providing full turnkey systems for water and wastewater treatment. Today, Burt Process has well over 100 employees, over 20,000 customers, and a multitude of close supplier partners that respect and trust us. It's all because the people of Burt Process pride themselves on upholding the 3 core values that meant so much to my father and mother 50 years ago. We put people first. We strive for the best possible quality of life for our families and for those in need all around the world. We work hard every day to ensure stability so our company will continue to be strong and thrive for another 50 years and beyond. Thank you, Dad and Mom, for having the vision, the fortitude, and the kindness in your hearts to build our business and allow the Burt Process family to grow. We are so very grateful for all you have done for all of us.